Happy Tuesday! Today I have a special invitation for you. The reason I love working with actors is because I truly believe that we are the change makers of the world. Our medium has the potential to impact millions of people in a way that is easily digestible. I mean, just look at how many people are cleaning out their closets because of Marie Kondo on Netflix. It's amazing. But if you are feeling like you're struggling and you're broke and you're totally disconnected from why you wanted to pursue this as a career in the first place, then you're not going to be able to have the impact that you need to have. Yet I know that sometimes having a successful acting career can feel very far out of reach and difficult to attain. And that is why the ladies at Acting Pros have put together the 2019 Pilot Season Actor Summit. They want to allow industry powerhouses to share with you some of the things that they've learned about how to get more auditions, how to book more work, how to live a more fulfilled life as an actor. I'm proud to say that I am one of the speakers for the Industry Summit, and I want to make sure that you are one of the actors who takes advantage of this opportunity. It is totally free. You have absolutely no excuses, so I really hope that you will join us. It kicks off on February 4th, and you can visit the link in the blog to sign up. I will see you there. Bye-bye.